Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the Ally, plug and power, confirm battery 50%, and back up any critical files. Next, make sure Windows has the latest cumulative updates installed so drivers won't conflict. Then, download the exact Asus ROG Ally driver package and the matching AMD graphics driver for your chipset. Do not grab random third-party utilities. Once done, extract installers to a known folder and close background apps, so installation runs cleanly. You now run the installers in the proper order. First the chipset/system drivers from Asus, then the AMD graphics package, and finally any ROG utilities. Run each installer as administrator. This ensures system files are replaced correctly. During installs, temporarily disable real-time antivirus if it blocks unsigned components. Re-enable it afterward. Make sure to reboot after each completed package so device firmware and driver stacks initialize correctly. And check Device Manager for any warning icons once Windows returns. You finish by validating everything. Open Device Manager and confirm driver versions match the packages you installed. If a new driver causes instability, use Device Manager to roll back to the previous driver or boot into safe mode to uninstall. Make sure to collect the Windows event logs and the Asus installer logs before contacting support. These speed diagnosis. One key troubleshooting tip: if graphics behave oddly, perform a clean driver reinstall. Use the AMD cleanup tool, then.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.